Hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to segment on Mailchimp. Now first of all, we need to understand the keyword segment. What does it stand for and what does it do in Mailchimp? Now the term segment is used as a verb and a noun. To segment is to filter and divide similar contacts. The resultant list of contacts is also called a segment. So a segment is basically a like a part of the full amount of contact that you have. For example, you have 100 contacts, but these contacts as are mixed between male and female, and you only want to be focusing on sending campaigns to the female ones. So in that case, you will need to make a segment. So this is how we can do it. For example, what does it do? And or these are the main things that we are going to be using. But how can we actually have and create it? Now, segments are used to create targeted messages to contacts who share data. Now, when you create a segment, you will set conditions to filter contacts based on the information that are available in your audience. So this is an example. So you want to invite new subscribed contacts to your online store. You can create a two-condition segment of contacts who signed up for your audience in the last 30 days but haven't made a purchase yet. But for this example, your logic will be and, not or, because both conditions must be met. So the condition is date added the last 30 days and has not purchased yet. So this is something that will help you to make a segment. Of course, they are more advanced and much more complicated depending on the work that you want to make. Now, to make the segments in here, it's pretty easy. So it's gonna be simple. Go to audience and here add contacts, and from this area you can actually put some preferences. So here we have settings, subscriber preferences, and we have also here we can create groups, which are basically the segments. And we could also go ahead and make in the other part, let me just show you here. So here's your segmentation. So we could go here and this will explain to you like it take us to the same thing. So create tags instead or create a group. I'm going to create a group, and here I'm going to leave it. How should we show groups? Like this, show group category, last 30 days, A, B, and create a group. And here you can view the group that we have made. So this is the group that last 30 days. We have this and that. And here, as you can see, we have to make a couple of segments. So for example, if I went here and we made some actions, we could here directly import the group of A, which is the group that has and here for B, for example, the other ones. So this is just some application that you could do by yourself. Here you can set targeted messages to them and so go on. But in general, segments had to be done this way through the contacts to your audience. As you can see here, the segments, you can create segments and do it right from this area. You have a long list to go through, so make sure to practice it a little bit of time before you make an official segment. Use this article, guys, is very important to be used. And yeah, that was it. See you guys in the next video.